Paul Johnsson, CEO of Sotkamo Silver. You are doing a rights issue of about 60 million Swedish crowns. Your share is listed on the NGM market in Stockholm and also in the Helsinki stock market. What will you use these proceeds for?
We will use them mainly for developing the mine, for core drilling, and also for cash reserve in these uncertain times.
So you started the mining last year, and how would you characterize this past year?
It's been a leap year for us. We gone from being a exploration company to a mining company, and we started the production in April, and throughout the year we have improved the processes, and at the end of the third quarter we were in full production, and what we're now focusing on is to get a more even result from month to month, because the metal grades of our ore varies a lot, and with that the result varies a lot, and we want to even it out more from time to time to have a more sound basis of the mine operation.
You in your interim report you stated that you were cash flow positive. Is that something that we can expect going forward?
That's our goal. It depends on a little bit on the ore grades, but they are looking good so far this year, and also on the silver price, which has dropped a little bit. But the long-term forecast we have taken part of still have a positive view of the silver price for 2020.
Some investors might wonder whether or not the very volatile silver price, how that affects Sotkamo's earnings prospects.
It affects. Buying a part of Sotkamo Silver is buying some of the risks, and the positive side also, of course, with silver, because we don't do any hedging.
Why don't you do any hedging?
It's quite expensive, and sooner or later you're still going to get the effect of the price change, positive or negative.
What's your need for investments and maybe further rights issues look?
Yeah, connected to this issue, we have a warrant that with full subscription next year will bring in another 22 million SEK, and it's hard to tell about the future, but we have plans with this year's drilling, and what we find there could show what we will need in the future.
And how would you characterize 2020?
This is a year when we are planning to get the production optimized, and hopefully, like so far, we have had no effects of the corona. Everything is working fine with the transports to our customer, and also deliveries to us, and the mine is in a remote area with so far not so many cases of coronavirus cases, and but you never know what happens. But we're hoping to optimize and get everything running, and we also have a project of a mine sorter this year that if it's coming out as hoped, we are planning investment in that for next year.
Okay, thank you, Paul Johnsson from Sotkamo Silver, who is right now doing a rights issue on the Swedish and Finnish stock market of about 60 million SEK. Thank you.
Thank you.